everyone and welcome to the We Are Medics UCAT crash course. This is going to be a series of a few short videos which take you through the structure of the UCAT, the sections that are involved and our top tips for how to succeed. We Are Medics are a national organisation who help students get into medical school, and all of our resources are provided for free. Please check out our eBook where you can find all of the information covered in this course and more, and we've also included some links to some other helpful resources. Best of luck!